Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. My name is Dr. J. Kiran Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about NEET exam pattern and syllabus. Now let us come to the topic. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test is one of the topmost entrance tests conducted every year in India. The main purpose of the test is who want to join or seeking admission to MBBS, BDS courses in government and private medical colleges in India. NEET is conducted every year in the month of May. Come to the exam pattern. The duration of the examination is 3 hours and the maximum marks are given to this test is 720. The question paper is divided into 3 sections, that is physics, chemistry, biology. In this biology section, they have both botany and zoology syllabus are including this section. Let us see the physics section. They have 45 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 4 marks and the total marks allotted this section is 180 marks. Similarly, the chemistry section also 45 questions and here also each question carries 4 marks and the total marks given to this section is 180. Now coming to the biology section, this section have 90 multiple choice questions are given and each question carries 4 marks and the total marks given to this section is 360. Next, let us see the marking pattern. Every question has equal marks and each correct answer will be awarded 4 marks and there will be negative marks are also there in this exam. So each wrong answer will be awarded -1 mark and this 1 mark will be deducted from your total obtaining marks. So students, keep in your mind this important thing. Suppose if you are written more than one answer, at the time they are also considered as incorrect and reduced in -1 mark. No marks will be awarded for unanswered questions. Now come to the medium of the question paper. The NEET will be held in the following 11 languages such as English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, Oriya, Urdu and Kannada, and the students keep optional for one of the following languages from this list. The students opting for English would be provided with the test booklet in English language only. The candidates, those opting for regional languages, would also be provided a bilingual test booklet. In this bilingual test booklet contains selected regional language as well as English also. For example, the students which is written in that Telugu language, so choosing that Telugu language and the test booklet will be given in both Telugu and English languages, but these regional languages test booklets are available in that regional examination centers only. Students, keep in mind, once you are choosing this language option, does not change. Now move on to the other important part in NEET examination, syllabus. The syllabus discussed here is NEET 2020. In NEET, generally to test the knowledge of the students in three subject areas such as physics, chemistry and biology. So the syllabus covered in these three subject areas. Mostly the topics covered in these three subjects from class 11th and class 12th standard are included in the syllabus part. Let us see the physics syllabus. Class 11th, physical world and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, motion of system of particles and rigid body, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory, and oscillations and waves are included in this physics class 11 syllabus. Come to the class 12th syllabus. Electrostatistics, current, electricity, magnetic effects of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature of matter and radiation, atoms and nuclei, and electronic devices are including in this class 12th syllabus. Let us come to the chemistry syllabus. Class 11th, some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atoms, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reactions, hydrogen, S black elements, some P black elements, organic chemistry, hydrocarbons and environmental chemistry are including this class 11th syllabus. To the class 12th syllabus, solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, general principles and process of isolation of elements, P black elements, D and F black elements, coordination compounds, haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life is included in this class 12th syllabus. Now coming to the biology syllabus, class 11th, diversity in living world, structural organization in animals and plants, cell structure and function, plant physiology, human physiology are included in this class 11th syllabus. Next, come to the class 12th syllabus, reproduction, genetics and evolution, biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications, ecology and environment is included in this class 12th syllabus. Students, note that the syllabus which is covered in this video only major topics, but in these major topics some other related concepts are also including in these major topics. Please note it. Students, this is the some basic information regarding NEET. You have any queries, doubts, suggestions, please contact. Thank you for your patience. All the best.